The kitchen is often the heart of the home, a place where meals are prepared, gatherings happen, and memories are made. The layout of your kitchen critically impacts its functionality and efficiency. Understanding common kitchen layouts can help you create a space that not only looks good, but also works well. The U-shaped kitchen layout is ideal for those who need ample storage and counter space. With cabinets and appliances on 3 walls, this design offers excellent organization and allows multiple people to cook simultaneously without getting in each other's way. It's perfect for larger kitchens, but may feel crowded in smaller spaces. The L-shaped kitchen, on the other hand, is highly versatile and works well in both small and large kitchens. With 2 adjacent walls forming an L, this layout opens up the room, making it feel airy and spacious. It also provides flexibility for adding an island or dining table, enhancing its multifunctional appeal. The galley kitchen is characterized by 2 parallel countertops, creating a narrow and efficient work area. This layout is common in smaller homes and apartments. While it maximizes space and offers plenty of storage, it can feel cramped if not designed carefully. Incorporating the kitchen work triangle concept is essential in any layout. This involves placing the sink, stove, and refrigerator at 3 points of a triangle to facilitate smooth workflow. Additionally, consider the placement of other elements like dishwashers, microwaves, and pantries to ensure they are easily accessible, but not obstructive. A well-thought-out kitchen layout can transform cooking from a chore into an enjoyable experience.